Welcome to the JavaScript for Pentesters course on Pentester Academy. In this video, we will look at the solution to task 2, which is change all links. So let's jump right in. Now, this is an interesting scenario as we spoke about in the last video, and we'd pretty much like to change all of these 4 links to point to pentesteraCademy.com/topics. So let's actually bring up our little slate, and this page is vulnerable to an XSS attack, which you can verify, right? This input field in here is reflected back. There's no filtering, no sanitization, a simple XSS. Okay, now the first step, of course, is to get all the links from the page, which is again very simple. So we do a var links equals document get elements by tag name, and the tag is A. Now this would give us basically all the links on the page. So let's iterate through them. Now a billion ways to do this. I'm going to do probably the way which is best to use when we are teaching something. You can use a ton of shortcuts. Links.length I++. Let's go back in here. Now after this, what we'd basically have to do is links I, and we would actually have to change the href for each of them to http pentesteraCademy.com/topics, and then second would be links again I dot inner HTML. This is really the anchor text. You can just put a link modified in there, right? Let me quickly check document.get elements by tag name. Then we run our loop, links.length, links I, href, links I, inner HTML, link modified. Okay, looks okay. Let's copy this out. Let's go ahead and URL encode it. Copy this, directly paste here itself. There we go. And there it is, right? If you notice now, all these 4 links were modified and they point to pentesteraCademy.com/topics, right? You can verify that as well. Perfect. So this challenge can come in handy where you're interested in probably changing what all the user can click on possibly, so that he gets directed to your page, still assuming that this was a link which sent him to your website, right? Of course, you could have forced a location change, but that would make the user suspect that something could be wrong. This is where he clicks on a link and then he goes somewhere, which seems more natural to him. That's all we have in this video. If you're enjoying your time here on Pentester Academy, please do recommend us to your friends and colleagues. We would really appreciate it. Thank you.